guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing some more tie-dyeing. I actually have tons of tie-dye left that I got for Christmas, and I just bought some extra of my apron on and ready to get messy. Like, I already did a tie-dye video before here on my channel, but I decided to tie-dye again to try the rainbow pattern, but it's not going to be rainbow colors. It's just going to be colors that came in this kit: pink, yellow, and purple. A t-shirt. What the heck is that? What is a Amber Alert for a 4-year-old? I'm going to be using a t-shirt, plastic here, so it will catch any of the mess. Well, that's what I think anyway. The end of the shirt and just bring it in. Now that I have my pattern, I'm going to add an elastic, and like that. Now that I got my hair extension, I can like clip in my hair. Hey. To color my top. So I have yellow, purple, and pink. Not a fan of pink, but I'm gonna use it. Got my gloves. I'm gonna put these babies on. I'm so glad I got an apron on, because I'm gonna need it. Okay. Got my purple murder scene going on. Cool, I hope. Anyway, I'm gonna put some yellow. Some more purple. Tie it up and then leave it for 24 hours. It is the waiting game. So this is what the top looks like. On the side of the top, which I think is really cool. On the side too. Put it on the sleeves, which is awesome. I really like that. There's that. It's like different patterns on both sides, so that's kind of cool. You enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys in my next video.